Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Recently, I was offered a stupid deal by Musician's Friend on this Guild A-20 Bob Marley signature guitar. I was curious about it, so I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on it. Let's open the box and take a look. Now that is an impressive looking soft case. Here's a Bob Marley poster. I think I can find a place for that. Okay, here's a bag full of goodies. Let's see. Owner's manual, Guild stickers and guitar picks, and a neck adjustment tool. This cool book about Bob Marley and the A-20 guitar is also included. Now let's take a look at the guitar itself. Nice top. Gear tuners. Now I would have preferred sealed back tuners, but these will do. The Guild logo is screen printed on the headstock, but Bob Marley's name is inlaid at fret 12, which is nice. A real nice Guild Bob Marley label is featured in the sound hole, and Bob Marley's signature is printed on the pick guard. Pretty cool. So let's check out this guitar up close. This thing is straight out of the box, okay? So the first thing I like to check is the action. And the action looks good. It's close. Not hard to press down. Let's see if all the notes play. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's all the way up to the neck, or the body, or where the body touches the neck. Okay, so let's go to the high string and do the same thing. All the way up the neck plays. Okay, now the fret ends are nice and smooth. Okay, that's smooth on the top. Okay, on the bottom, equally as smooth. Nice. Okay, so let's just see if it's in tune here. Well, that's close. Let's see. So it came out of the box close to in tune. Again. Nice tone. Let's play something on it, see what it sounds like. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And this house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. That's nice. Alright, let's put it to the ultimate test. Let's play some Bob Marley tunes on this guitar. Let's start with jamming. 2, ready, play. Let's try I Shot the Sheriff. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my Guild Bob Marley A-20 guitar. I'll be having a lot of fun with this.